Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to create and connect your first Oridium wallet. So we will start by creating our wallet here. And first of all, you have to choose your nickname, so for example, Bob. And you have to create your secret phrase. It's a standard of security in cryptocurrency universe in general. So if you are lazy to create your own secret phrase, you can automatically generate it. I advise you to remember or keep it somewhere on your computer, because if you forgot your Oridium wallet, it's your only way to restore your wallet. You can also protect your wallet with a password. It's better to do that, because we talk about money and it's precious, so you have to make it safer as possible, but it's just an option. And for this example, I'm not going to protect my wallet yet. So I click on create my wallet, and as you can see, your public key appear. This public key is your wallet address you share to people to receive money from them. So it's very important, but you will see you have easy access to this public key later. So you have to download your public key. Now it's okay, you can close it, and you can connect your wallet here, and boom! Welcome to Oridium. You are connected, and you can now start mining or sending Oridium to your friends.